Come and enjoy with us a day in Paris.
सकाळ फुडें म्हाका उठयला प्लेन येता आनी फोटो काडपा लायले हांव च्या पासून पिवना.
As soon as we landed in Paris, we avoided taking any taxis and headed straight to the information desk to book the train tickets to go to the city center. But instead, we decided to get a day pass from the train station itself. And this was the best decision because that day in the afternoon, all the trains went on strike and we were able to use the same pass on buses, metros, and even the shuttle bus to the airport.
तें सगळें बरें हांगो बट हांवें तुका सांगिल्लां हांव च्या पिलना म्हाका भूक लागल म्हळ्यार बनाना केक गेल्या आनी आपोणे रोगोळ्या.
चड सुबेज जालें नाका ना तुका हेंय मेळपाना. This street had a lot of Indian restaurants and we decided to sit in Sarvana Bhavan.
बुशू आम लोक हांसतो मुगो पॅरिसा वचोन तो मसाला डोसा खाताय तो.
Good, we are making people smile. What's bad in that?
पयस तो येदो दिसता पूण कितू व्हडलो रे तो.
Even here we had to go to the security, but I was very happy because we reached the Eiffel Tower.
पयस रावन येदो दिसता पूण
ओगरा रे मातसो कित पायत भाशेन वजत रावता. Repeat telecast.
वय हांव पाय आनी तूं जात न्हू मगे माई.
If you want to go to the highest floor on the Eiffel Tower, you can either book it online or you can stay in the queue and book it up over here. The streets of Paris were beautifully lit up for Christmas.
आम एअरपोर्टार वचपाक शटल बस गेली आनी बुशू रडपा लागले.
I want to go home.
ते कित्या रडपा लागले आनी कितें जालें हें सगळें आम सांगतले तुका नेक्स्ट ब्लॉगां. 1 day journey to Paris.
Very